Ow! 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 Emily! Emily! What's going on? What's going on, Emily? Ow! I have a stomach ache. Oh, how come, Emily? What's going on? I ate too much candy. Oh no! Oh no! Kids, say it with me. Oh no! Can I help you? Say it again with me. Oh no! Can I help you? I didn't hear you well enough. Say it again. Oh no! Can I help you? When somebody feels bad, it's always good to say or ask if you can help them. Can I help you? No, I don't think so. I'm so in pain. Oh, Emily, maybe your health battery is low. My what? Your health battery. Health battery? What is a health battery? Kids, do you know what a health battery is? No? Well, my grandma told me we all have an invisible health battery. You cannot see it because it's invisible, but you can feel it when your health battery is on. So I have a health battery too, Connie. Yes, you do, Emily. You also have a health battery. Close your eyes. You two kids, close your eyes. And I want you to envision a yellow, bright bar. It shines, like really shines. It looks like a big bar of gold. You see it? Well, that's how my yellow health battery looks like. We all have our own health battery. And when your health battery is charged, just like a normal battery, you will feel it. How do I feel it, Connie? Well, you will experience one of the three B's or all of the three B's. Three B's? So, the first B is for bright body. Yes? Kids, touch your shoulders, touch your stomach, and say with me, bright body. Again, bright body. Again, bright body. Good so. That means when your health battery is charged, your body will feel good. You will feel less sick, your muscles will grow strong, your organs will function well, you will feel a lot better. Oh, cool. I want a bright body. The second B stands for bright brain. Yeah? Say with me, bright brain. Again, kids, bright brain. Again, bright brain. Very good. It will help you to think better, to think good, to focus maybe better. And the last one is bright mood. Say with me, bright mood. Bright mood. When your health battery is charged, you will feel better. You will feel positive. You will feel less tired. You will feel maybe less angry because it's easier to control your anger when you are not tired and when you feel healthy and well inside of your body. So you will feel better. So, bright body, bright brain, and bright mood. Yes, very good, Emily. That's why it's important to recharge your health battery on time. When you eat a lot of candies, your health battery is not getting what it needs. Your health battery is better off with some vegetables and some fruit. But oh, what else? With moving every day, walking, do the things you like, make sure your heart feels good. But how do you recharge your health battery, honey? Well, I have a healthy life plan for that. Healthy life plan? That sounds awesome because I want to have the bright brain. Well, I made a healthy life plan for you. So if you want, I put it ready for you. You can just go there and make your own healthy life plan. And if not, if you want to make your own one, okay, you just take a piece of paper and you can draw all the things on it that makes you feel healthy so that you can remind yourself every day of a healthy battery. Yes, so that your healthy battery is charged and it will switch on just like a light switch. Cool. I might start to do some more things to feel healthy because the candy did not really help. Sometimes a little bit candy is not too bad, but you know, make sure you do a lot of the healthy things. Take good care of your healthy batteries. I will, Connie. Thank you so much. And I'm going to check out your beautiful health plan for me. Yes, I have many examples, and you can cut it out with your mom and dad. Go and visit the place where I put everything ready. Bye. Bye. Thank you, Connie, for helping me today.